Ever wondered who's half-swiped your Snapchat chat? Let's dive into the mystery behind it. A half-swipe means they opened your chat but didn't fully engage. Intrigued? You should be. This action doesn't notify you, but there's a way to find out. Let's explore. Check your Snapchat friends list to see who's been active lately. Keep an eye on those names. Look for the Snap score. An increase may indicate someone's been curious about your chats. And remember, enjoy the mystery. Not everyone reveals their swiping habits. Now you're equipped to notice half swipes and keep your Snapchat game strong. Engage with friends more creatively and never shy away from a little friendly mystery. If you found this helpful, share it with your friends. They'll appreciate the insight. Stay tuned for more social media hacks and tips. Happy snapping! Engage better. Connect more. Unlock the fun on Snapchat. This is how you can turn the tables on Snapchat half-swipers. See you next time.